You frustrated Bailey trying to get the stick up. Oh, that's a big stick. Look at that big stick you got in your mouth. Yeah. How are you going to get that big stick up there? Huh? Look at. Uh-oh. My cup. My cup. Whose cup? Ho, ho, ho. Mine. 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 My cup. What do you think? My cup? Oh, get the cup. My cup. Look at you have no sticks left in your cage. You got some big sticks to carry up. Yes, you do. Then you can finish your house. Yeah, look it. Yeah, look it. Look at the pretty house. Look it. Look it. Look at the house. You gonna hide your cups? I see you're already hiding your little ropes in there. Yep. Yep. What are you doing? My cup. Mine. You better hide your cup. You better hide the cup. Now you hide it in your sticks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're being silly. Look at the pretty house. Were you tired of it in your cage, huh? You wanted something new? Yeah, you did. You wanted something new. Yeah. You're so funny. Yeah. You stopped working because I was taking a picture of you? Yeah. Okay.